Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you pay with cash on Doordash. So let's get into the video. Open up Doordash and log into your account if you have one. So once you have on your Doordash here, so what you need to do, you can make any orders or just make an order, whatever you wish to order. So anything. So just when you get to add it to your cart and get it to this page here, where the checkout page here, because that's why we are more interested in. So just add any item. So for example, I will choose this one. Let me add this to my cart so that I can check out. So once this is done, so I'm going to go to my checkout option here. So when I get to checkout here, so once you're on this page here, so scroll down and then you'll see payment details. So under payment details, you'll see all the available payment options here. So here, if you're paying by cash, you should see the cash option here. So if you don't see the cash option, that means that the restaurant that you're ordering does not accept cash. So you can only use cash for those restaurants that accept cash payments. So otherwise you go to look for a restaurant that accepts cash payments and then make an order from that restaurant. So other than that, then you have to, if the restaurant doesn't accept cash, then you go to look for alternate payment methods like PayPal or credit card or something like that. So if you're paying by cash, then it should pop up here under the payment methods. You should see cash, if only if the restaurant accepts it. So you can just select that and then proceed with your order and just place your order, and then you can pay with cash. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video information is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.